Hello guys, welcome back. And for today's video, titignan natin yung YouTube channel ng mga time setters and bibigyan natin ng reaction yung kanyang pinost 2 days ago. Yung pinakita ko nung kahapon ba yun? Nung Sabado. Pinakita ko na post nila, updated na post nila with regards sa Sunday law. Sabi nila confirm na daw. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo sa screen. Yan. So, ito yon ang confirmed nila na ito, na-post 2 days ago kasi Saturday to nila na-post. Titignan natin ngayon. Bubuksan natin to at bibigyan natin ng reaction. Okay. Tingnan natin.
Are at play and are greatly affected, religion will seem to be just a tool to make
Yan. So, prepare to meet thy God. Ito yung nila. Ito yung
the final prophecy of this world's end has been declared and is about to take place. And the more that we look upon the great events before the close of this earth's history, the more apparent and the bolder it has become that no one could miss its meaning if one is sincere and humble to know what truth that is eternal and real. Sunday law is drawing closer and still closer and is looming over the history of this world, a time when all of the world will be placed in the valley of decision to choose for themselves a path of allegiance that has always been the point of issue between God and Satan.
Okay, i-direct na lang natin doon sa doon sa pinaka-issue talaga. Kasi ito yung America has begun the steps to Sunday law. Pero yung kaniyang yung kaniyang thumbnail kanina, balikan natin yung thumbnail niya, tingnan mo. Ito. Sunday law confirmed. Ito 'yon. Sunday law confirmed na daw. So ano ba ang basehan niya? Yung sinabi niya na confirm. So titignan natin sa loob ko ano yung sinasabi niya. I-direct na lang natin doon sa i-direct na natin doon sa kanyang yung pinakapunto talaga kasi mahaba tong video na 'to. So dito tayo sa kasi napanood ko na 'to. And then direct natin doon sa mga point na doon tayo mag-react.
Made to support one great lie against the Almighty. Now, America has become that very stronghold of apostasy and falsehood. May 2026 has been confirmed by the nation to be a time of religious union in false worship to God. And this stands as one of the greatest evidences that the image of the beast, which is the United States of America, is truly correctly prophesied, for it now fulfills itself to be a religious government. Now, when we broke off the topic of the appointed times and the
So, ibig sabihin, tungkol to sa Amerika na meron na silang hakbang na sisimulan na nila yung Sunday law. Just the steps. Ito, yung title niya, America has begun the steps to Sunday law. Pero magkaiba dun sa thumbnail niya kasi sa thumbnail niya sinasabi confirmed na, Sunday law confirmed. Di ba? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung basehan niya dito sa sinasabi niya. So, kung puntahan natin yung ibang clip niya dito. Ito. Yung basehan pala niya is yung announcement ni Trump. Tingnan mo
that Sunday worship to be seen in a better light. Trump also has made his intention to rededicate America to God by having a national day of prayer during May 17th, 2026.
Yan. So yung announcement ni President Donald Trump na every May 17 merong mangyayari na National Mall Prayer Event. At saka gusto niya i-rededicate sa Panginoon yung America as one nation. Ito yung gibasihan niya. Ito yung pinagbabasihan niya. Na-confirm na confirm na yung Sunday law daw doon sa Amerika. So kung titignan natin, napaka ano naman ito eh. May 17 yung schedule ni President Trump. Eh yung sa kanila, yung hula-hula nila kailan mangyayari yung Sunday Law is May 1. Di ba? So, paano mangyayari yun? May 1 yung Sunday Law, tapos ito, May 17, plano pa lang to ng Amerika, ng presidente, na magkakaroon ng ng ah, prayer sa kanilang tawag dito National Mall Prayer Event. So May 17. Yung sa kanila May 1. O, paano mangyayari yan sa May 1? Tapos yung second coming pa nila is May 15. Tapos yung mga steps ng Amerika to Sunday Law, May 17 pa nila gagawin. Ah, So, kung titingnan natin yung video talaga ni Trump, President Trump nung pag-ano niya, nung pagsabi niya dito, pag-announce niya dito, tingnan natin Ito, pakinggan natin si President.
To support this exciting renewal this morning, I'm pleased to announce that on May 17th, 2026, that we're inviting Americans from all across the country to come together on our national mall to pray, to give thanks, and we are going to do something that everyone said, like, that's tough. We're going to rededicate America as one nation under God. You know, a lot of people...
Oh. Yan. Sa inyo pag-announce ni President Trump na he will going to rededicate America, the nation, as one nation under God. And then nagpalakpakan yung mga tao. Siguro tong taon to talagang bihira lang to magsalita ng Panginoon or God. Kasi yung binitawan niya yung salitang God, nagpalakpakan yung mga Christian doon sa doon sa Amerika, yung mga audience niya. So yun yung basihan ni Brian. Ito niya. So May 17 pa. So paano yung mangyayari? Yung hula nila May 1. Tapos yung mga first steps or the steps that's begun by the America to proclaim Sunday Law, May 17 pa nga yan eh. So parang malate. No? Ano bang katotohanan dyan? No? So ibig sabihin, alam naman natin talaga na yung Sunday Law is darating yan. And these announcements of the President from the United States of America, makikita talaga natin na mga steps yan na doon na talaga to papunta sa Sunday Law. Kasi nga, bihira lang to magiging religious tong presidente na to eh. Diba? Bihira lang to. Ngayon lang to. So, makikita natin na doon na talaga to papunta. Pero, hindi lang talaga natin alam kailan. Yan lang talaga. No? Hindi katulad dito sa ito na malalaman nila yung mga petsa, mga fixed or exact date kailan mangyayari yung mga future events na sinasabi ng Panginoon sa Bible. So, yun lang talaga yung diferensya ng mga taon to. So, yun lang. At sana ma-update din tayo sa mga pangyayari dito sa ating paligid. And thanks for watching. Once again, God bless and amping kanunay.